In this video, I will show you that how to use tradingview.com step by step. We will cover everything without getting overweighted. I show everything you need to know from basic chart to pro level, even if you are not ever used it before. Take with me. By the end, you will be ready to trade smart and faster. Come to your Google account and search here at TradingView. After searching the TradingView, you can see there is a first website on the top. It's a tradingview.com. You can click on it, and after this you can see there is an open website is open about tradingview.com. You can see here many things. Firstly, I will explore you the some things in this page. If you scroll down, if you go to scroll down, you can see there is a more details. You can check it out in a detail wise because I cannot share you in this video. There is everything is explored in detail wise. You can check it out. So number one step is that you need to sign up your Google account. So click on get started. After starting, you can see there is a next page with the plans. You doesn't need to buy any plan, please. Never buy any plan because these are not good. You can get everything in free. Everything you want, this is on a free one. Now you just click on sign up button. After clicking the sign up button, you can see there is a sign up account page. You need to just sign up your Google account on it. After sign upping your Google account, there is some plans again. But before I again tell you that never buy any claim. So come on a TradingView again. So now your account is ready to use. Your account is sign up. The number one thing is that there you can see here is a TradingView logo. This is a TradingView logo. Here's a search icon. You can search any pair. So now go on a search icon. So here you can see the all pairs about the sport, funded, future trading, all. Now there is a section stocks, funds, future, forex, crypto, index, bonds, economy, options, and others. Now you need to choose how you trade, where you trade. I mostly trade in forex, crypto, and stocks. So I select the forex. After forex, you can see all the pairs in the forex. You can choose any pairs you want. For example, I get here a EUR USD. Now open it, click on it, and it will open. Now you can see the chart is open. You can analyze the chart here with the red candles and green candles up and down. Here is the chart. You can analyze here completely. Now after coming on this page, there is a step. Now after coming on this page, you can see here is the icons, settings, and other things. We will explore these all step by step. Now the number one is you can see your Google account here. Now click on it. You can see your tradingview.com, your account, your home, help center. If you need any help from them, you can go and talk to them. If you need any help from them, you can go and check it out if you have any problem. What new, you can explore the what new they are exploring. What new, you can explore many others. And now the next is a dark theme. You can check, you can also do the theme to a dark and a white. Where you choose, it's your choice. Now there's a draw lines. You can see the draw lines. If I off the draw lines, you can see there the draw lines pair tools are closed. When I open it, these are on the display. So this is the draw lines. Now you can select your language. You can hear the multiples language. You can select the I select. Next is search icon. You can symbol the search. Now you need a different pair. Now you need to choose a different pair. If you want to choose any different pair from here, now you can select any pair you want. Now for example, I am now selecting USD-CHF. For example, I selected this. Now you can see the here my charts is open now. You can change your pair. Now next is this icon. What is this icon? Compare symbol. Now, if you want 2 to 3 charts in the same screen one. Now, for example, this is a USD CHF. Now, I want to compare it with the others. For example, I choose the gold. Gold. I choose the gold. Now, you can see the gold chart is also open here. Now, this is the gold chart and this is my EUR CHF chart. These are both are open. Now, you can see this is the first chart and this is the second chart. This is the second chart. I have gold. Now you can compare your chart with any others. From here you can close the first one you want. Delete and remove. Your chart will be removed. Now next is day and time. Which candle time do you want? For example, this candle is 3 minutes, 4 minutes, but this candle is a day. It's a 1 day candle. You can change the any time, any candles you want. For example, I select the 1 minute candle. Now this candle is a 1 minute candle. This one candle is timing a 1 minute. For example, I select the 13 minutes. You can see there is a 13 minutes candle. So you can select the any candle you want, the 4 hours, 5 hours, 1 day, week, 12 month, any time, any day candles you want, you can search here. Next is candles. Which candles patterns do you want? For example, there is a bars. You can see the candles will be changed. Now volume candles. This is not a free, but you don't need to upgrade this. Okay, and you can see there is a changing. But the mostly uses is the one is candles. Okay, so be not change anything. Next is if you have any indicators. Now next, indicators. Indicators is the most important thing in trading view. For example, you need to analyze the charts. You can go in indicators. You can search the any indicators do you want in a personal, technical, financial, community, where you want. For example, I select this one 24 hours volume. So you can see the indicators is now here. You can see. And you can also delete the indicators do you want. Select the indicators and delete here. Select indicator and delete it. So there is a lot of indicators you can see. Thousands of indicators here. You can check it out anywhere from here. Now the next is the indicator template. For example, you have any indicators. You want to template it here. You can select the save indicator template. And you can write the name of the indicator do you want. For example, I put it for Thors. And you can remember and save the indicators. And your indicators will be still. Next is aligned. For example, if the USD CHF price is up and you want to get aligned. If you are working other thing but you need to get aligned, you get a notification. You can say there. You can select your symbol, price, value and others, and you can just message here, notification here you want to check. Now you just need to create it. Now the aligned is create. Next is replace. Replace is non-importance. We will not come here because replace is not importance. I will show you the importance tool here. Okay. Next is unnamed. Unnamed, you can see here, you can change the any name here. For example, I select this one. Now these are the paid, but you don't need to buy anymore. This is not importance. This is unnamed is used for to view the more charts on one screen. For example, this is a one chart, but you can select the more chart in a one screen. So you can select any screen you want and you can select the more pairs you want to analyze, but you don't need to buy this. This is not a good and this is not used mostly that. Now the second thing is that is this quickly search. Now what is a quickly search? Type of search drop. Now for example, Here is the multiple tools. You can see these tools, these tools. Now you don't find any tools. Now here you can see there are the multiple tools you can select. Now here you can see there are the multiple tools you can see. But you don't remember the name of the tools you want. You can search here. For example, I do a draw line. So you can see there is a multiple draw line is coming. You can see. You can select any remove draw lines. The remove draw lines is required. Next is a setting. You can setting your candles bar. Which color do you want and other things you can set here. Next is a full screen. You can get your full screen and where you want you can send. If you doesn't want the tools, if you doesn't want these lines, you can just make the full screen and just analysis your charts peacefully. Next is take a snapshot. For example, you need to take a picture. For example, I have a chart and I want to download the picture. You can download the image and you can select here. For example, I get this one. You can see the chart picture is in my PC. You can see. Next is public. This is not important. We cannot talk about. But this is important. Let's see, I tell you. For example, you want to share your screen with any other people. You can select any recording video ideas. Connect it to public. You can select where you want to share your screen. You can share. Next is this icon. Watch list. Watch list is the most important thing. Now you can click on it. You can also open the pairs here. You can also open your pairs here. You can see SPX. I open this. Tesla, Netflix. You can see the most pairs. And you can also get the details of this all. You can see. So this is important. Now aligned. This is the same one aligned. You can check the which price do you want to get a notification. You will use it. Next is data window. You can see this is a not important. I never share you this because this is not important. Next is what charts. No privacy message. Yes. You can create any message you want to give yourself to your WhatsApp, to account. But this is not important. This is not important. You definitely. Next is here also you will open the pairs and other things. Not important. Now these all are not important. That's why I cannot share you this. Now the more important things others. Firstly, I change the pair. Wait a bit. GBP. Now where you can see there is a timeline. The 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year, and a 1 year, and a 5 years. You can analyze the chart where the chart is going on. Now for example, I want to see the chart back in a 1 year. Since a 1 year, what the market is going on, up section or a down section or a good section or a not good section. Now you can select here any time frame you want. For example, I want a 1 year. I select. Now this is a 1 year. You can see this is a 1 year chart. Now you can analyze the market here. That's it. Now the most important tools I need to share you is these one. These are the important tools you can see. Now the first is this icons cross. For example, you want to click. You can see I select the market and check it out. You can see this icon. You can change the icon to a dot. You can change the icon to a cross and many others. You can see there are a lot of magics and others. And now there is a prevalence. You need to analyze it. For analysis, you need to use this all the indicators, not indicators, these are all the lines you can analyze. For example, I need a support and resistance. I just need to draw a trend line. I draw here a trend line, and you can see the trend line is drawn. So you can see here multiples options you can select. Here is also analysis. For analysis, you can analysis the market you want. This also for analysis. This also for analysis. For example, I want a long position. You can set your stop loss. For example, I buy here. I buy from here, and I put the target to this one, and the stop loss you can set. So this is for also analysis, and this is the text. For example, you want a text on a screen, you can write anything. You can write anything from here. You want to teach someone. So this is a notepad and others. You can check it out. Now others is the emoji. You can set emoji on your window just like this. Next is a scale. You can see the price, where the price is. For example, I put this one as a down. You can see there the mine 38 pips. You can analysis. This is a scale. Now see the zooming. You can zoom in your analysis chart. For example, I zoom it at very high position. I just to give it a zoom out. The zoom out, zoom in, zoom out your chart. Wait a bit, I restart. Next is a magical other tools. They are also for analysis. These are the now this is delete. You can remove. For example, I draw any. These trees are also for analysis. Now this is a delete one. For example, I draw analysis lines. For example, I put this one. I get a horizontal line. I get this one pair. This one analysis. Now I want to delete this all from my screen. All. You can go to delete and select what you want to delete. There is an indicator option and there is a draw option. For example, I select remove these 3 draw lines. And you can see the screen is clear now. That's it. Now you know how to use TradingView like a pro. Even if you are just starting out. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you want a more guide about trading. What will be the next video I will make? Please comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.